got an unboxing here. I was going to wait till tomorrow because I'm getting another mystery box because they had sales going on. And so this is from Kendama USA. I'm opening it with my analog troll, or analog, whatever. I forgot what that kendama's called. But I was going to wait for my other box to come in the mail, but I decided not to. Because I'm just too excited. I also am selling some kendamas. I got 2 mystery boxes in here, I hope. I'm going to close my eyes and let you see what's in it. I don't know what this says. So, there's I'm going to pull out the first item. I haven't seen this yet. There's one in a bag. I assume it's a craft. I'll wait till later to see that one. Oh, okay. I don't know anything about this kendama. I don't know if this is new. Wow. I don't know if this is a new kendama or not. If this is a pro mod or... Wow. I really, really like that. Now on to the craft. I'm really excited about this one. Ooh, I see it in there. Start with the stickers first. I'll have to see if this is both my orders or if it's just one. This is so nice. I don't know if this is on the Nova shape or the shift shape. I assume it's Nova. That is really nice. Well, let me open this now because I'm really excited about this. I don't know what this kendama would be called. Like I know it's on a Nova shape. I have one more day till now, November. I don't want to really ruin this box, so I might have to wait to open this. Unless I go on the bottom here. But if you know anything about these 2 kendamas, let me know. Well, this is taking way too long to open this. Ah, there we go. Those bags are always like really nice. I don't want to rip this box. I don't really want to rip this box. It's tearing. I don't really keep the boxes anyways, but I still don't want to rip it. Well, I ripped it. Oh well. I never keep the boxes anyways, but this box is really nice. I think this is a Nova shape. I mean the craft, I think it's a Nova shape, not a shift shape. Wow. This string is just beautiful. It's very sticky. And there's a burn line right here. I don't see if you can see it. Wow, this is really neat. Let's see if I can do a lunar. The Tama feels really heavy and the Ken feels really light. So we'll see. Let's see if I can do a juggle spike, huh? I don't want to ding it the first day I get it. I've done that before.